Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2007 Toyota Solara. Now, not many people know about these. These are very hard to come by. This is the SLE V6. Yeah, people don't talk about them all that much. This one is actually in great condition. Wow. My family actually owns a 2001 Solara, which is why I was so excited to check this one out, because this is the second gen, actually the final gen, but people never really talked about these. They just kind of existed and nobody really cared. It's awfully sad. Sunroof. This one's 174,575. He's gonna fly out. You might be wondering why I'm even driving something like this. Well, you know what? This is actually pretty cool. A lot of people love the cheaper cars. Not many people spotlight them. On YouTube, you look, it's all Ferraris, Lamborghinis, which, don't get me wrong, I love filming them. But more people can afford these than anything else. I mean, just look, one of my most popular videos is of a 2011 Ranger manual. Like, you know, just some of the weirdest stuff does well. So I'm really hoping this video does well. Watch it get 3 views. But, you know what? I was taking inventory photos at Albrecht Autoland North, which, thank you for letting me film this. Just come out of nowhere, why don't you? So, what is the Solara? Well, it's the Camry Coupe. They also did a convertible version. This is, of course, the Coupe. It's the 2-door Camry. Which, I mean, just, can you picture the modern Camry, today's Camry, like the XSE V6, in a coupe? That would be the modern day Celica. It's honestly a shame that these never really took off. They existed for a little under 10 years. You had that first gen, which my family has, and you have the second gen, this car. They never really caught on. You'll see them out and about, but you don't really see them all that much. These are good cars. You know, if you think about it, this is a modern day Celica. These are much more of a grand touring car rather than a sports coupe. But they're still great fun to drive. The highway, nice and comfortable. It's a little windy. It snowed this morning, so you know, you have that typical wind after a storm. handling's not bad, honestly. Could be worse. Honestly though, this is kind of a relaxed cruising car. I could just sit here and cruise all day. That's why I said this is a grand touring car. It's not a sports coupe. You know, it's not a competitor to your RSX, Acura RSX or anything like that. What it is a competitor to is just cruising cars. Honestly, it is very, very comfortable, and I think we have this one listed right under $7,000, which it's a Camry. It's not gonna really break. Anything that does break is super cheap to fix. So like I said, you really can't go wrong here. Seriously? Is this plowed? Yes, good. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.